In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Weebly. Whether you're an artist, writer, or entrepreneur, Weebly provides a simple and efficient way to showcase and sell your digital products. Let's dive in and get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Weebly website. You'll be greeted with the homepage where you can take the first step in building your online store. Once there, it's time to log in. Use your email and password to access your Weebly account. After entering your credentials, go ahead and click on the login button to proceed. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From the dashboard, select My Website. This will take you to a view of your current website where you can make changes or additions. If you're starting fresh, you might see the option to add site. Click this to create a new one if necessary. In setting up your online presence, you'll want to indicate your need for a website with an online store. This helps Weebly tailor the setup process to your needs. After making that selection, it's time to give your store a name. Choose something catchy and relevant, as this will be the first impression visitors get of your brand. Next, you'll click Continue to move forward. At this stage, Weebly asks about your selling status. Select Yes, I'm currently selling, which informs Weebly of your experience level and needs. Then specify that you're selling online only. If you anticipate branching into physical retail later, no worries, you can adjust settings down the line. Once these preferences are established, proceed by clicking Continue again. With the preliminary setup complete, you'll skip any unnecessary steps to fast track your setup. This takes you to the option of adding items to sell. Click on Add an item to sell to begin listing your digital products. Now you'll click on Create New Item. Here, it's important to specify the type of item by clicking Change and selecting Digital. This will adjust the configurations to suit digital products specifically. As you prepare your listing, add images to visually represent your item. Click on Drag Images here, or click to upload image to incorporate images. Adding visuals is vital because it draws potential buyers to your product. Give your product a title that's both descriptive and enticing, and then proceed to set a competitive price. Continue building your listing by adding a detailed and engaging description. This helps customers understand what they're purchasing. For inventory purposes, make sure you add a SKU number, and finally click on the visible option to ensure your product is viewable to customers. In terms of availability, select Unlimited if you're offering a digital product that doesn't require stock management. Then make sure everything is optimized. Consider things like searchability and categorization to reach the right audience. Once satisfied with the details, click Save. Congratulations, your product is now listed and ready for potential customers to find. With these steps, you've successfully set up your digital product store on Weebly. Keep these tips and tricks in mind as you manage and grow your online business. Thanks for watching and happy selling.